202, 204, 209, Judges merit question கொடுங்க. Judges give merit question to all. You are right. You are right, moderator. Again, right, moderator. Again, right, moderator. Again, right, moderator. Relax, अपनी पोजीशन में रखेंगे नहीं लगे. Music, please.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
Thank you. Please, one stop, please go back. 202, 209, 211, 202, 9, 11. You are right, moderator. Again, right, moderator. Relax, athlete. Same way, nothing else. எல்லாரும் அந்த 7 பேர் நிக்க வை. ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா நில்லுங்க. இவ ரைட் பண்ணட்டும். அகைன் ரைட் பண்ணட்டும். Again, right moderator. Again, right quarter turn, your final right quarter. Relax and breathe. Thank you, please go back. 203, 205 மட்டும் வாங்க. 203 and 5 சொல்லுங்க. Right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Again, right quarter turn. Relax and breathe. Thank you. Please join your line. The best of in this category goes to 210 R. Kabilan from Steelman Gym. Karna. Mr. Karna. Syed Abdullah from Dumbbell Fitness. எல்லாருமே போட்டிக்கு புதியவர்கள் கைத்தட்டி உற்சாகப்படுத்துங்க. ஏன்னா இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் நல்லா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜாக போடுங்களா அப்போ கற்றுக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நல்லா போஸ்ட் நல்லா ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ. 200 பிரபு from Lia Power Fitness. Thank you. 201 Pratap from VV Fitness, Adivara. Thank you. 206 Raj Manohar from VV Fitness. Thank you. Fifth place in this category goes to track number 205, yes, Hariharan from Indian Gym. Thank you. Fourth place in this category goes to track number 204, Thangarasu from Star Indian Gym, Iramillai. Thank you. The bronze medal in this category goes to track number 209, Naveen from Guru Fitness, Pusaripatti. $2,000 cash award, bronze medal, merit certificate and bodybuilder statue. Thank you. Silver medal in this category goes to track number 211, D. Harish Kumar, Universal Gym. Thank you. Medal goes to track number 202, R. Lakshmanan from Universal Gym. Gold medal, merit certificate, 3,000 rupees cash award and bodybuilder statue and flag. இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் ஃப்ளாப் செய்யறதுக்கு அத்தனாரி அவங்கள விட்ட ஆளே இல்லை, எங்கேயோ காணும் அவரு. தேங்க்யூ. அந்த 5 பேர் மட்டும் வந்து முன்னாடி போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க.